up, guys? I'm in my basement right now, and look, a flash flood warning. This is my first EAS on the Weather Channel on Verizon. 6 inches right now. It's very heavy. Wait, just to entertain you guys. This is the poop of it. It's outside right now. See, it's completely unacceptable. 6 inches of rain. My outdoor pool could flow any minute. God. Oh, the hell? Oh, that's my dad. I realized he was out there. God, it's scared the crap out of me. Well, anyways. Go. Whoa, Jesus. Let's fix that up. Oh, shit. I could show you more crap on TV. I know I might get copyright check on YouTube, but series forecast. Pause if you want to read. Plus, want to read that too. Serious flash flooding is likely. This is a flash flood warning. Right? Wait. See where I'm pointing? Right there? That's where I live. I'm not taking my time for private reasons.
The local Doppler radar.
I'm not saying my name for private reason. I swear to God. Let's see here. Maybe locked on for some reason. It's 60 degrees right now in my area, as you can see. There were no major power outages reported in this area, which I'm very lucky to know. Called the weather scan. It's the time. It's almost 5 o'clock in the evening. It's extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Alright, here we are. See? Ah, damn it. Yeah. Weather bulletin from the National Weather Service. The flash flood watching effect till 4 in the morning. Like, what the heck?
Local Doppler radar.
God, it's gonna happen all night. Cursey National Weather Service. Dingleberries. This is for SBC Crawford 1056 in elevatorsonly and NWRGeek. I've seen them doing EAS videos. I'm thinking of getting a go webcam video, so I'll protect my home. This is what came up. Flash flood warning from the National Weather System. Get this full effective frame. My iPad hates focusing on the TV. That being said, that's it.